Kuya Kopyo. Oh, Kuya Kopyo, you know what? Here's my YouTube video. Franco Morales said to me, everyone are anti-Marcos. Like I said before, thank you Franco Morales for your wonderful advice. Oh, what you gonna say to yourself, Kuya Kopyo? Oh, the Marcos loyalist wannabe. You didn't listen to Teacher May Tiburcio about the the history of the President of the Philippines, Ferdinand Marcos Sr., is the greatest robbery of the government. It's in up to the Guinness World of Record. Like for example, Imelda Marcos, Ferdinand Marcos Sr. Oh, they are the greatest robbery of the government. This imbecile Larry Gadon, the ally of Sangkay Janjan. You know, Larry Gadon, think what you are saying. That you're saying about hindi nagnakaw si Ferdinand Marcos Sr. What is this? You haven't take a look about the Guinness World of Record that Ferdinand Marcos Sr. is the greatest robbery of the government? Oh, and then you say about the DDS are bobo. Oh, some of the Marcos loyalists. You remember the Marcos loyalists? Name um, Tata Emenilao and other bloggers who were Marcos loyalists to manipulate the Duterte supporters. It's not good to talk about politics. For example, I am saying to Romeo TV Blog and Sangkay Janjan, Romeo TV Blog, if you want to say something, those words are negatives against the Marcoses, how would you ever say that Marcoses are the greatest robbery of the government? My friend, for example, Bill Galang, he's also anti-Marcos. He's not Ilocano. Me, I'm not Ilocano, because I criticize all Ilocanos. But especially Paula Nunez is not also Ilocano. Because Ilocanos are very bully. Don't even know the Marcoses are the greatest robbery of the government. I say to Sangkay Janjan, Romeo TV Vlog, and Dan Mardayaw, oh, and the other Marcos loyalists who were fake Filipinos. Oh, don't you remember? Oh, at least Ate Mel Canete, she's not pro Marcos. Oh, she's non-political. She's a pro Duterte. Oh, she's not Ilocano. This is hard to say to those Marcos loyalists. Be learn about how we're in social media. But in someday, when those Marcos loyalists were fake Filipinos, if they want to keep trolling, if you want to keep bullying, you know, Dan Mardayaw, Sangkay Janjan, and the Marcos loyalist, you have to listen to Teacher May, even yung Ate Dina Guillermo, and Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan. At least Eskel Penumbra, he apologized to me, thanks to Franco Morales. He apologized to me that he labeled me I'm a Marcos loyalist. I repeated again, Eskel Penumbra, I am no longer to be Marcos loyalist. If I say again to Teacher Kel, paulit-ulit lang ang sinasabi ko kay Teacher Kel, like I said, I was being scammed by Bangag Marcos Jr. I was being scammed. I'm telling ya, because I know, if you're watching this, Escal Penumbra, Um, I just want to shout out your mother. Your mother says to you, oh, you already been reprimanded. Oh, do not label me as Marcos loyalist. I say again, Escal Penumbra, I am a non-political. I am a non-political as I am a Duterte supporter. I am nothing to talking about politics or political affiliation. Oh, that's what I reason. You know, I say again, Escal Penumbra, don't talk to Dan Mardayaw. He's really a Marcos loyalist. Whenever I say, oh, if he's a Marcos loyalist, if I ever talk with Jaredino or Franco Morales, there are lots of people who are being scammed by Bangag. That's what I heard it if you were being scammed. Just like I said, just remember, nobody loved the Marcoses. There will be no solid north. Alright? Because you know, Tito Mac did not vote Bongbong Marcos. I know Tito Mac had said to me, he's the one who voted Bongbong Marcos. I know his father, Ferdinand Marcos Sr. He visited Russia or Soviet Union. Oh, alongside with Imelda Marcos. But I realized that Tito Mac told me, Bongbong Marcos is a close ally of Zelensky, of Vladimir Zelensky. That's the reason I've been scammed by Bangag Marcos Jr. Oh, now Tito Mac got scam. Oh, me, I got scam too. Everyone got scam also. Nabudol na tayo ni Bangag. I know what is your motivation? I say again, Dan Mardayaw, Sangkay Janjan, and Romeo TV Vlog, and the other BBM vloggers. Don't be such manipulative. You know, when I was angry at my dad, when I never looked my Bluetooth earphone, I was very angry. The Marcos loyalist who stole my Bluetooth earphone. Oh, even Ate Dina Guillermo and Dan Mardayaw. This is really hurt. Look at Ate Rona. Oh, Ate Rona is anti-Marcos. Oh, she experienced that when she was in her age in 1986. Oh, even Ate Emily as well. Ate Emily is anti-Marcos. Oh, because I know Ate Emily and Ate Marie are anti-Marcos. Oh, who else? Ate Pura. Oh, Ate Pura Bonono, anti-Marcos also. Because she is not pro-Marcos. Because I know Ate Pura, she doesn't like Bongbong Marcos. Because I know Ate Pura and Miguel Bonono, they voted Leni Robredo. Like me, I voted like me, I never say I voted Bongbong Marcos. This is my fault. I vote Bongbong Marcos because I know we are fighting over about political. I asked Franco Morales, Franco, who do you vote president of the Philippines? Oh, he said to me, Leni Robredo. Oh, me, I voted only that weak leader, that Bongbong Marcos, and now I could see that he is Bangag. Oh, he's not our president. But I apologize to Franco Morales, even to Adam Juari, even to other people who were anti-Marcos there. Especially to Teacher Jessa Fernandez. Oh, you know, Danmar, Dayaw, when Kuya Rodelio Daguman is a pro Duterte or pro Sara, if he's a pro Leni or pro Leni Robredo, respect his own opinion. What if I say again, Danmar o Danmar Dayaw, if Kuya Rodelio Daguman endorse Sara Duterte and Bam Aquino, o my mom will endorse Sara Duterte and Bam Aquino, what's the opinion? Oh, I mean, I will vote Sara Duterte and Bam Aquino. Oh, because I'm pro Duterte. I am pro Aquino. I am not a pro Marcos. Oh, I am non-political. We have to say, for everyone, we have to be non-political. Oh, Teacher Evelyn had said to me, oh, everyone are anti-Marcos, so let's respect the other opinion. Oh, Teacher May is an anti-Marcos too, eh. Let's respect other opinion. We have our own opinion. We have our own reality. If ever I could say, if those people have their own opinion, then you need to respect other opinion. Is this what I said to all of you? You don't know what is the opinion means? Whenever to talk about politics, oh, when you ever talk about politics, when you talk about nonsense, I say again, Danmar Dayaw, there is reflection. Even Romeo TV Vlog, there is reflection too.